Okay, children, welcome to another day, beautiful, wonderful, and amazing day in which we have the opportunity to learn a lot of things. Today is Thursday, May the 28th, 2020, and in the English school is day 3. Very good. If today is Thursday, what day was yesterday? Very good. Yesterday was Wednesday and tomorrow will be Friday. Excellent answer. Who can tell me what's the weather like? We are going to start in the middle. Is today a rainy day or is it a windy day or maybe a foggy day? Well, I don't know. Maybe some of you have a cloudy day or near your homes is a sunny day. Well, now let's continue with the agenda for today. At the beginning of the day, we are going to have music. After music, unit of inquiry. After unit, we will have the snack. Remember that during this time, you have to wash your hands and have a healthy snack. After the snack, you will have mathematics with me, obviously, because I love mathematics. Also, unit, because I love unit of inquiry too. And after mathematics, you will have Spanish. After the Spanish, lunch. Remember that here, again, you have to wash your hands and have a healthy lunch. Once you finish your lunch, you take a rest, you take a small time for breathing, for playing, and then you are ready for reading time, okay? That's all for today, people. Remember that all the days we have a song in which we have to move. Don't stop moving because it is very important for your body. Remember that during this unit of inquiry, we were talking about being the importance of being balanced, the equilibrium between your mind, your body, and your heart. Okay, so please, people, start moving with the song that Miss Vale is going to show you. Okay, bye 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 bye. Kisses. See you.